So I discovered I had enough diamonds. You know what for? A sheep. The most cuddly things in the world. It's really hard to make any other thing out of it. Guess what? This is what I made out of the sheep. I started to put on the same outfit, but then I quit because I didn't like this on it. And then I chose the colors, and this is adorable. And even this is adorable, but imagine if we went with the coat, it's just a little less white. It might. So, yeah. Pretty cute. I think it will be my next OC. But if I chose them all, I would just become Salt because she has many LCs and she just uses it all at once. And it's like she doesn't even have an LC. She is just a variety of animals. But tell me if you like that sheep, or tell me if you want it. But I sure don't want to change it. Just look at this cuddly thing. Want to see its play? This! It stands? This! It sleep? This! It sit? This, this. And it's jump? This! So, tell me you like it? Do you like it? I think it's pretty cute. I'll be using this one because it's my LC, but guess what? If I'm not using that animal, I'm probably using this. It's like a new OC available for when I don't feel like I want to use that. So, do you like this? I hope you do. Just walk out. Oh my gosh! How did they make this?